Good morning, Elkie. This is Saturday morning, and this is going to be an art lesson in preparation for your visit of next Saturday. This lesson is about painting a square red. Now, I have two squares. They're both 3-inch squares, and I'm going to paint them both red in two different ways. The top one is going to be sloppy, messy, expressionistic painting of the square. And for a sloppy, expressionistic painting, I need a bristle brush, which does not have even ends, so that it can make a messy square easier. I'm going to take red paint, because it's going to be an oil painting, and I'm going to put it on the brush, thin with a little turpentine, and then I'm going to start in the middle and work out until I paint the entire square red, and then I'm done. Now you see, I covered the line all around, all over, and I didn't try and be careful to get it very even. But this square is going to be done in the opposite way, for which I need an opposite kind of brush. It's going to be this brush, which if you look, you see, goes right to a very sharp point. And I'm going to use the tip of that pointed brush to paint right along the pencil line, exactly so that I bring my red color right to the line. See, right to the line, and I can use that point to get right into the corner, completely even. Now I've done the top. A little more turpentine, and I'll do the right side. See that? I'm painting it with the tip of the brush. And I get to the bottom corner. Now I arrive at a problem, and that is, how do I get the tip of the brush to paint the left-hand side with the fact that I am left-handed getting in the way? In other words, if I do it like this, the tip is the back part of the brush is going to make a mess of my going along the line. But if I try and do it with the tip this way, then it's a very awkward position on my hand. And see, I went outside the line. Already just starting, I went outside the line. So I have to think of a way to do it left-handed, and the way that I have found that's it's a secret. It's my own personal secret that I'm going to show you. I take this hammer and I yank out this nail. I rotate the square, I put the nail back in, and I move that left-hand side up to the top. Now, my left-handedness makes it easy to do that side. See? Well, there's that mistake I talked about, but I'm just going to leave it. But now I have another left-hand side to do. I can try to bend. See what happened? God, I hate that. No, I'm going to use my secret method. I'm going to turn it again. See, there's a hole there. I already prepared for doing this. I'm going to nail it up. And I'm going to finish it perfectly. Now, just to save a little time, I'm going to fill in the middle with the other brush. Where my left-handedness doesn't matter. There it is. Now why do I want you to paint a red square? Because this painting I'm working on here, down here toward the bottom, has a bunch of bricks, and the bricks are red. There's a lot of them, and it's going to take a long time to paint it all. And when you're here on Saturday, I want you to help me. So that's why I want you to learn to paint red squares. You can do it like that, or you can do it like that. It doesn't matter, because this painting has neat, solid lines and messiness, and the bricks the same way. They sometimes can be neat, and they sometimes can be messy because it's bold. So that's your art lesson for Saturday, for next Saturday. See you in a week.